And the rope, speed of the wind, jump squeak out the gate, followed by Powerhead, running by the wheel is Amazing Act. Then followed by Tony Quarter, Terry Toon, running by the wheel, Batang West Side, while Madame Leonora is running in the tail of the field. Going along for the first turn, speed of the wind, high bowling in front, leads by some 5 lengths. Followed by Amazing Act in second, Powerhead racing third. Alain Kanihap, Tony Quarter, Terry Tuna from the outside, and followed by Batang West Side and Madame Leonora, who's still running in the tail of the field. Midway down the traveler, it is still Speed of the Wind leading by some 4 lengths. And Amazing Act try to get closer in second. Running in third on the outside, Powerhead running by the wheel, Terry, or running number 3, Tony Quarter and Terry Tuna. Inside the last 4, 3,600 going to the last 4. It is still Speed of the Wind leading by some 2.5 lengths. Amazing Act coming close on the outside towards the final turn. Speed of the Wind. Amazing Act now from the outside and moves up now to grab the leader. Speed of the Wind. Amazing Act. Amazing Act doing the better now about Speed of the Wind, and finally Amazing Act. Speed of the Wind, Tony Water, Madame Leonora, Terry Toon, Barang West Side, Powerhead.